Bryan here from Trident Cryo. Today we're going to cover the myth of twos. Does two chambers mean two people? Does two chambers mean two people? It does not. You can do two people in a two-chamber system. How does heat work? Heat is removed from a person when you go into the chamber. That heat has to then go up and get cooled by the machine. Why do you want to bring two sources of heat into the machine if you want the best session? Now, if you want to go in there and have fun, and you want to go in there and enjoy cryotherapy and get a little cold, you can. But remember, just wiggling your fingers stops the fight or flight reaction. So you want to get in the chamber and stand still. It's best to do it alone. Prior to making this video, I called around the country to 4 or 5 of the locations and I asked them about this. They said they are doing two people in the chamber sometimes and they are getting the skin temperature drops. In closing, the myth of twos. Two chambers equal two people. Yes, you can do it. It's not optimal. Trident Cryo prices both the single chamber and the double chamber so close that you'll never have to make the decision based on money.